Hi guys, welcome to this video. Following the other videos about collocations, in this video we learn collocations consist of noun and adjectives start with the letter C and D. First part is about adjective with the first letter C. Crowded streets. It means streets full of people. We walked quickly through the crowded streets. Circle of friends. The meaning is a number of close friends. Example. He is one of my close circle of friends. Constructive criticism. It means useful or helpful criticism. For example, he always welcomes constructive criticism of his behavior. Casual clothes. It means comfortable clothes. Example. Employees are not allowed to wear casual clothes at work. Casual relationship. The meaning is a relationship that isn't serious. They are just in a casual relationship, but they enjoy each other's company. Certain amount. It means more than very little. For example, Bill put a certain amount of money in his bank account. Clean energy. The meaning is energy, as electricity or nuclear power, that doesn't pollute or damage environments. Example. Wind and solar technologies create clean energy, but oil and coal don't. Close together. It means very near to each other. Sisters are sitting close together on the beach. Common knowledge. The meaning is something that is widely known. Example. It's common knowledge that she is in a relationship. Cold stare. It means a stare which is unfriendly. For example, he gave her a cold stare right before he turned away. Connecting flight. Change from a flight with one number to a flight with another number. For example, we missed the connecting flight to Paris. Classic style. The meaning is a very simple style of clothes that is beautiful and always fashionable. I'm interested in the classic style of clothes as they are timeless. Cold call. An unexpected telephone call made directly to a potential customer to sell something. He got a cold call during a lunch break from someone trying to sell cars. Close cropped hair. Very short hair. For example, his close cropped hair makes him look younger. Catchy tune. A song that is pleasing and easily remembered. Example. It was a song with a catchy tune. Childish handwriting. A style of writing that is typical of a child. For example, her daughter's childish handwriting really grates on her. Cheesy smile. The meaning is a smile which is very obvious but looks false or not sincere. Example. She snapped a cheesy smile at him. Chronic disease. A disease that persists for a long period. Her grandfather suffered from a chronic disease. Chubby cheeks. Cheeks that are slightly fat in a pleasant and attractive way. Example. The little girl looks cute with chubby cheeks. Clean-shaven face. Her father has a clean-shaven face. Curvy body. Your waist is smaller than your hips and shoulders. Example. Mary has a great curvy body. Cold eyes. The meaning is unfriendly eyes. Example. She was staring at him with cold eyes. Close relatives. those like parents, children, brothers or sisters. For example, Peter and Sarah are close relatives. Close-knit family. The meaning is, all members support and look after each other. They are a very close-knit family. Childhood friend. It means someone who has been your friend since you were a child. Jack is a childhood friend of mine. Casual acquaintance. The meaning is someone you know a little, not intimately. Example, I was a casual acquaintance of her family in Tokyo. Cramped room. It means a room that does not have enough space for the people in it. He wants to move out of this cramped room as soon as he can. Second part is about collocations, consist of noun and adjectives started with the letter D. Do-it-yourself book. A book that is designed to be done by an amateur at home or as a hobby. Example, his first do-it-yourself book was written in 2005. Dead-end job. A job that has no prospects of promotion. Example, she was stuck in a dead-end job for nearly 6 years. Dead body, corpse, or the body of a dead person. Example, the police found a dead body in the building. Dead end, a situation in which no further progress seems possible. For example, he is bored with working that dead-end job with low wages and no hope of promotion. Detailed description. It means a description that includes a lot of information with many details. Mary gave the police a detailed description of the robber. Direct flight. For example, there are many direct flights to Canada. Dirty joke. A joke that's indelicate or related to sex. Example, the guys in the pub told many dirty jokes. Dirty player. A player who behaves dishonestly, especially by cheating in a game. Jack was a dirty player. Distant relative. It means a relative related to you but not closely. Example, Jane is his distant relative. Dual nationality. The meaning is the state of being a citizen of two different countries concurrently. For example, Paul has dual Canadian and American nationality. Devastating floods. It means floods that a lot of harm or damage. Example, the village was struck by devastating floods last summer. Droopy mustache. Mustache that is long and hanging down heavily. The old man had a big droopy mustache. Detached house. A house that stands alone, not connected to any other house. Example, the price of the detached house is so expensive that she can't afford it. Dense forest. The meaning is forest that is packed tightly together with trees. Example, there is a path through the dense forest. Dramatic setting. A set of surroundings which is exciting and impressive. Example, most men choose a dramatic setting for their first date. Dysfunctional family. The meaning is a family in which the relationships between children and parents are strained and unnatural. Example, she dislikes spending holidays with her boyfriend's dysfunctional family.